In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delivery tracker in Google Sheets on desktop. Let's get started right away by setting up the file we'll be working in. Open Google Sheets in your browser. Once the page loads, look at the template gallery near the top and click Blank Spreadsheet to create a fresh, empty file. After the new sheet opens, move your cursor to the upper left corner and click on the words Untitled Spreadsheet. This is where you'll rename your file, so go ahead and type the spreadsheet name you want to use for your tracker. Once you've finished typing the name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. Now we'll build out the structure of the tracker. Click on cell A1 in the blank sheet to make sure you're starting in the very first cell. With A1 selected, paste the starter delivery tracker data into the sheet. Feel free to copy and paste the pinned comment, which contains everything you need, including the headers and the sample delivery rows already formatted for you. Once the data is in place, click and drag across row 1, starting from A1 all the way through I1 to select the full header row. With the headers selected, click the bold button in the top toolbar to make the text stand out. Next, click the fill color icon in the top toolbar, and from the color palette that appears, choose a light blue fill so your headers are clearly distinguished from the rest of the data. Now we'll freeze the header row so it stays visible while you scroll. Click View in the top menu, then hover over Freeze in the drop-down that appears. From the Freeze submenu, click the option that says One Row. Your header will now stay locked in place. Next, we'll add status drop-downs to make tracking deliveries easier. Click the Name box, which sits above the grid just to the left of the formula bar. Type the status range, which is F2:F100, then press Enter to select that range. Now click Data in the top menu, and from the drop-down, click Data Validation. A sidebar will open on the right side. In that sidebar, click Add Rule. Under the Criteria section, make sure drop-down is selected, and if it isn't, choose it now. Click the first option field. Replace whatever is there with the first status, which is pending. Then click the second option field and replace its contents with the second status, in transit. After that, click Add another item to make a third row appear, and into that new field, type the third status, Delivered. Once all three statuses are entered, click Done at the bottom of the sidebar to save your drop-down rule. Now we'll add an automatic notes helper that flags each delivery. Click cell I2, which sits directly under the notes header in row 2. Paste the formula into that cell. Feel free to copy and paste the pinned comment, which contains the exact formula text you'll need for this step. Once the formula is in the cell, press Enter to apply it. Take a moment to confirm that the Notes column fills in automatically with messages. You should see entries like follow-up, overdue, on track, delivered on time, or delivered late, depending on the status and dates of each delivery row. That brings us to the final result. Your spreadsheet should now be named Delivery Tracker and display 5 sample deliveries complete with customer details, tracking numbers, estimated delivery dates, and notes. The header row will stay visible whenever you scroll down the sheet. The status column will use the drop-down chips you configured, and the notes column will automatically flag each delivery as on track, overdue, delivered on time, or delivered late. Your tracker is now fully functional and ready to help you monitor every shipment from start to finish. You can begin adding your own real deliveries beneath the sample rows whenever you're ready to start using it.